today I'm bringing you along for the quickest meal you'll ever make. It's super easy. There's literally nothing to it, and it is delicious, and it tastes like it's been slow cooked on the stove all day long. And that is ham and bean soup with 2 jars, and that's it. That's all you need. I have, really, it's 15 bean soup. So I have my 15 bean soup mix, just the beans, and I'm putting all of it in. I'm doing it one-handed, and it's starchy. So, let's see if I can loosen it up. Okay, so got all that out. So there's our pint of beans, and this will be enough to serve me and the girls. And then here I have my home canned ham with ham broth in it. And so all of this is going in. And that's going to be our juice. And that's it. We're done. Unless you wanted to add something else to this, like salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, you can do that. But we're just going to bring it up to a boil, let it simmer, and then if we decide we want to thicken it, I have potato flakes, and that's how we'll thicken it. So this could be a 3-jar recipe, but right now it's just a 2-jar recipe. And this is one of the reasons I can, because it is a hectic day today. We have places to go. Yeah, we have places to go and things to do, and this is going to be a super quick and healthy and delicious meal that did not come from a drive-thru. It came from my own pantry, and yeah, that makes me feel good. So I will bring you back, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Okay, so I let this boil for a few minutes, and you can have it just like this. I like mine a little thicker, especially if I'm not going to have any cornbread with it. So this is how easy it is, guys. Potato flakes. Add some in. Stir. And check consistency. You don't have to make a slurry. You don't have to worry about there being lumps. I love thickening with potato flakes. Will I still make slurries? Yes, I will. But it depends on what they're in. This, it's so much easier just to use potato flakes. And these are the cheap box that you can get for like $1.50. The huge $1.50 box. That's what these are. Nothing special about them. It doesn't make anything taste like potatoes. It's wonderful. And look at that. We are now to a beautiful consistency. So let's get this plated up. Alright, so here we are. Took 10 minutes tops, and really, if you didn't want to boil it, that's just something I do. 5 minutes. Or if you have a microwave, even less than that. But look at that. Look at all the big chunks of ham. We have our 15 different types of beans already done. It's thickened perfectly with potato flakes, not flour. I mean, you can't get this at a fast food restaurant. And it took just as long as if we waited in line at a fast food restaurant. So, this is why I can. One of the many reasons, but this is why I love it so much. Because I was literally able to go into my pantry, grab 2 jars, and voila. Delicious dinner. And this is good just by itself. You don't have to add any ingredients because I salted the beans, and then the ham already has flavor. So if you wanted to add additional stuff, go for it, but not necessary for a delicious bowl of soup. So I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.